Welcome back to the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making Mirelurk belly croquettes. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. We are once again starting with prep. You're going to first want to peel and cook and mash and cut. Peel, cut, cook, then mash 2 large russet potatoes. Follow that up with half a medium yellow onion diced and 3 green onions, both the green and white parts, finely diced. Now in a large saucepan or skillet, you're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to add your yellow onion. You're going to cook that until it's translucent. Once your onions are all cooked through, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You're going to mix that all together. Then you're going to mix your onion and butter and flour mixture in with your mashed potatoes. Now also into your mashed potatoes, you're going to tear up a pound of smoked salmon. It says flaked, but it's torn to small shreds. I tried to use like a fork to do it. It just kind of slid around, so I ended up just tearing it by hand. So they're not as small as they could have been, but it worked. You're going to mix that in with your mashed potatoes and also your green onions. Once everything's mixed together, you're going to form them into 16 to 24 even patties, and you're going to put them in the fridge for an hour uncovered. Once the hour is almost up, you're going to combine 3 eggs and lightly beat them in a bowl, and then you're going to put in another bowl a cup of panko breadcrumbs, and then in the third bowl you're going to add 3/4 cups of flour, and you're going to then take your patties, dip them in the eggs, then dip them in the flour, and then dip them in flour, eggs, then breadcrumbs. Dip them in the flour, then dip them in the eggs, then dip them in the breadcrumbs. And finally, you're going to fry them in about 2 inches of peanut oil for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Could not get it all because my phone overheated and the camera stopped working because I had a little bit too close to the oil. My phone's fine. It's just I didn't get to record that, unfortunately. These were very good, like genuinely incredible. I did not expect mashed potatoes and smoked salmon fried to be this good, but I would definitely make these again. They are very good. It says you can pair well with the creamy garlic sauce, which we didn't do, but would highly recommend that. It sounds amazing. Anyway, yeah, make these 9.5 out of 10.